Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to prevent your headlights from ever becoming cloudy. Now, in order to prevent your headlights from becoming cloudy, you must invest time in order to maintain them. Some of the maintenance procedure that can be performed are very simple and require very little time or no skills whatsoever. However, there are some methods that will definitely require a little bit more effort on your part, so you need to bear that in mind. Here are some of the best options available to you to protect your headlights. So we have paint protection film, we have ceramic coating and graphite coating as well. We have sealants and we have wax. So let's begin with the easiest to the hardest install. We begin with the wax, and the wax is easiest to use. It doesn't require any special skills. You simply wipe down the headlights to ensure that they are clean. Then you add a few drops of wax on a soft terrycloth or an applicator pad, and then you apply the wax on the headlights. You then wait a few minutes, after which you will wipe off the excess residue. And for wax, it is sold as a paste, or you can get it in a liquid spray formulation as well. Most wax will last approximately 3 months, so it needs to be applied several times during the year in order for it to offer maximum protection to your head. Next on the list, we have sealants, and sealants can be used to protect your headlights. It tends to be a bit more durable than wax, and the application of sealant is very similar to the procedure that you use for wax. Sealants will last approximately 6 to 12 months, so it is way more durable than using wax. Now, in order to get the longest lasting protection, you would have to choose from these options. So we have the ceramic or the graphite coating, and we also have what is known as paint protection film. Ceramic coating offers great protection from the sun's harmful UV rays, and it helps greatly in preventing damage to your headlights. Ceramic coating can protect your headlights for several years instead of just a few months. However, when it comes to the application of ceramic coating, it does require a little bit more effort when compared to the methods used for the application of wax or even sealant. The fourth method of protecting your headlights is the use of what is known as paint protection film, and it provides an almost permanent barrier on the headlight and protects them. It provides protection against harsh chemicals, scratches, as well as the harmful UV rays from the sun. To install paint protection film does require some amount of effort, so patience is required should you decide to do this install by yourself. So you need to bear that in mind. Now, all four methods outlined are guaranteed to work on your headlights, and they will remain